Hi, today we are going to see how to create a collage in Google Photos. First open your browser, then search for photos.google.com. Then this type of interface will be visible in your screen. Now click on Utilities under the Album option. Now click on Collage. You will find it under Animation option. Now select your photos that you want to add in your collage. I am selecting the first three one. After selecting your image, click on Create. Your photo collage was created. Now you can edit it by click on this icon. Here you will find many effects for adding your photos. You can increase light, you can increase color, you can increase pop here. You can also crop the photo by click on this crop icon. After editing your photo, click on Done and here Done. Now you can download your photo by click on this three dot icon. Here you will find download option. This is how you can create a collage in Google Photos. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.